Alright, so we got some JDM rare Chargespeed, not carbon fiber. I was about to say carbon fiber because Nick has the carbon fiber spats and skirts, but these are authentic Chargespeed. They're the, what are they called? The fiberglass ones. So they are authentic, but so they're all legit. Chargespeed, very rare. These things are 16 years old. I got them off my good friend. Put his Instagram. Urban STI, cool. Blah blah STI he has. He's had these since 06 or 2000. I don't know, 06 or 11. They're old, 16 years old, and obviously they're in good condition. But I actually restored them, gave them to my body shop, fixed a couple cracks because he yelled across the car and they're a little bit beat up, and they resprayed them in a semi-gloss matte black. I was thinking about paint matching them, but I don't like the look of that because they don't come like that from Chargespeed. So I think this would look better than paint matching it to the Java black. So we're going to be throwing them on, helping my dad, because it's kind of a two-person thing, lining them up, holding them on the side, jacking it up and all that. So enjoy the little small video. Just wanted to share with you this awesome rare parts. I'm excited to see how it looks. So just gonna drill, got the self tappers, and that's pretty much it. So should look good. Give it a little bit more of a beefier look, because this is Nick's. He's got the carbon fiber and the spats. It looks good, so I'm digging it. So I'll get some before and after pictures, drop them, and yeah, shout out to Pete for the awesome JDM goodness.
So is it just me? Trust me, something in the air just above me. Something like a dream state, you call it a clean break. Do you feel the vibes, man? Do you feel the vibes?